Okay. Fishbites. These things are awesome. So this is, oh, you can't quite see it, but it is, what does it say on there? Shrimp flavor. Then when there's clam, got 2 packs of clams and 1 of crab. So I think I might put on some crab. This is all you got to do is cut it about that size. I've got to cut 3 pieces because I've got 3 hooks that need on 2 different rods. Now, always remember, close up these bags because they do not like getting wet. $20 sits in your glove box. That is bait whenever you want. So if you're just driving around the countryside and you want to have a bit of a cast and there's no service stations to get bait or anything like that, you just have some of that in your glove box and you're away. It works real well. Obviously it's not the best. It's definitely not the best than, say, like good fresh bait for certain species, but there's been quite a few occasions where I've used just fish bites and I've out-caught everyone in the same area. So yeah, don't knock it till you try it. So I just topped up a little bit of fish bites on this last pilcher that I put on. So it didn't have a bite for a while, so I was like, I'll chuck on, I'll top it up with a bit of this stuff. Literally, that's all you do is just hook it on, like so. That's how easy it is. Just hook it once. It's really tough. Right. Got those channels clear. Give them a little bit of a bend. Smack them back. Alright. And as you notice, I've got reflective tape on my rods. Now that is a game changer. I've been doing this for a long time with the reflective tape. It can't just be any old reflective tape too. It's got to be pretty good stuff to actually stick on your rod and not be super thick. Anyway, we'll get this bad boy out. Check for tangles. You can pull the line through like that, and it's all right. Cast with braid. Make sure you do the bail arm right up, because that will slice your finger. So I hold onto the line as I walk back. I don't know if I've explained it before. That way you're just not losing heaps of line, just pissing out the top of the spool here. And trying to avoid it with the top of the waves. Yes, the waves are small, but this is why we use surf casting rods, so we can get away from those tops of the waves, which will carry like sticks and bits of seaweed and like hay and straw, grasses that will be getting washed around.